Well, Mother J is at the beach, up here, wherever we are. We're trying to get her to go dip her feet in the water. Mom, you want to go dip your feet in the water?
No, not today.
Why?
That's how I got a cold.
Why you want to dip? You got a what?
I said now I got a cold.
You don't have no cold.
I ain't going out and get that cold water.
How you know the water cold?
I know it is.
You don't know it's cold.
It ain't hot.
You don't know it's cold. You used to go out here and feed the birds. Now you won't even get out your chair. Does it feel good out here?
Nice.
If you had on your bathing suit, you might catch you one.
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't wear bathing suits. I don't know I got a bathing suit. I don't know.
You don't. You say you don't wear bathing suits?
Mm-mm.
Why?
I don't think I got it.
We'll have to get you one. You go to the beach and you what? I can't hear what you're saying. I will. You said you go to the beach for what?
I just come out and look. I ain't come out and get in no water.
You don't get no water.
Not at the beach.
You look right here so I can see you. So when I send it to Larry, they can hear what you're saying. So you don't like you don't like getting in the water.
Not this kind of water.
What's wrong with this kind of water?
This is the ocean, man.
Yeah, you don't like that. You ain't gonna play in it.
That thing going, Carl.
With the birds.
Oh, look at that big pelican.
Look at it. Look.
You don't catch him a fish.
Look what he's doing.
Yeah, probably so.
I just saw fish jump out the water.
You did. Mama can do that. Mama, can't you go catch you a fish?
That's all right. I eat fish every night.
You don't want to go catch you one?
I ain't going out there trying to catch one.
Lee, you want to go out there and go fishing?
No, if Mama goes out fishing, she go out to swimming, I go with her.
You want to try it, Mama? Why?
I don't want to see all that fish.
You want to go put your feet in the water?
No.
I can push you down to the edge.
I can walk down to the edge, but
Oh, you can? So why do I have you in this wheelchair if you can walk down to the edge?
I can.
So why we got you in the
I
wheelchair?
didn't tell you to put me in the wheelchair. You told me
You
to
said
come.
what?
I didn't tell you to put me in the chair. You told me to get out already.
You hear that, man? You hear that?
She
She told me she didn't tell me to put her in no chair. She could have walked.
Yeah, I know. 2 steps and then
Bam.
my back. I feel like it's pulling apart.
Look
I'm
at the
sleepy.
bird. Look at the little bird.
I'm tired.
Look. It's smart.
Oh, he was. You used to come out here and feed the birds.
Huh?
You used to come out here and feed the birds your honey buns. Huh?
You know what I find is
They
amazing?
get around best I can.
There's so many sailboats today.
Yeah. Because the water is so calm.
Look from all the way down there.
It's a lot of sailboats.
Well, ain't nobody in there. Somebody
Quite a
driving.
few catamarans too.
I guess the water's so calm, it's rather set on it. Set on the,
I wonder if Harrison would want to jump in that water.
probably so.
I don't think so.
I think he will. He probably want to walk in it.
Who's the dog?
Mhm.
Y'all brought a dog with you?
Heaven's supposed to be coming down here.
Oh,
She's going to drive. She's trying to learn her way around.
well, I don't get in no water that much. Not like a place like this.
You used to. Me used to go walk the whole sidewalk.
You know how old I am now?
How old are you now?
I ain't no baby.
How old are you?
I'm in my 90s.
No, you're not 90 yet. You'll be 90 your birthday. April 21st, in 3 months, you'll be 90.
Well, I take care of myself. You know, boom. Oh, look out.
I can't hardly hear what you're saying. Why are you talking so low?
I don't know.
You done lost your voice?
You're still in there, I guess.
What's in you?
My voice.
You talking so low.
Look at the ships out there.
Want to go get on one of those boats?
No, I stay out here where I'm at. I'm free.
It feels good out here,
Why
though.
don't we go and rent one of them little canoes and put Mama in it, push her out?
That's all right. Mama don't want to be out there.
You don't get on one of those canoes, Mama?
No.
I did. Me and, what you call got on? Me and
Y'all help y'all.
Michelle got on one.
Yeah.
It was fun. You want to try it?
No.
So you don't want to try nothing.
I'm 80-some-odd years old.
Well, you think you too cute to get on a boat?
I ain't said too cute. No.
Well, why can't you get on the
old.
boat?
I'm just old and I ain't getting out there playing in the
Mm.
Might fall out.
You what?
Might fall.
You might fall out.
Yeah. And you got to play in that water 'cause
Can you swim?
I don't know that. I don't remember swimming. I always go with mama and fish and stuff like that, but I don't remember going swimming in the water. The only thing I swim is the bathtub.
Only thing you swim is the bathtub.
I don't get in the bathtub. I don't get in the ocean.
Do you swim in the
I
bathtub?
don't know. I can sit down and take a bath and get out. I can't do that.
You can't swim in that. You can swim in
No, I
all.
might go to the bottom.
Make it to the bottom.
Oh, mama got in there. We ain't seen her since.
We don't know what happened to her.
Something grabbed her. Ain't that something? All up here, shit.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody get out and drive out. I guess they'll come out there by themselves. Them ships didn't come out here by themselves.
Yeah. Everybody was sitting on the boats eating dinner, watching TV. It
And
is,
I'm fine like I am.
you don't want to go sit out on one of those boats.
I know I'm not a swimmer.
You're not a
I get
swimmer.
in the water, come up to my knee. I ain't going out there trying to.
Oh, so you will get in the water for coming to your knee?
Yeah, but I ain't getting out of the boat.
We got it where it just come up to your ankles, so you don't have to worry about it. Me and you used to walk all the way down the side shore. Me used to walk all the way up and down like that. Somebody over there playing probably.
Look at this baby out there. That little girl hollering. Look at that.
She's probably having fun.
Oh, that bird, that big old thing flying over. You might as big as she is. Look at that. Look the time. Look. She hollered at the bird. There you go.
She's
Keep
just having
on.
fun.
She's very big. She hollering so you come to her. Flying over. The bird said, shame on you.
She want the bird to come to her. Well, you used to go out here and feed all the birds. You have a loaf of bread or your honey buns.
Feed them.
You feed so many birds that people get up and leave because they be flying everywhere.
Yeah.
It feels pretty good out here, doesn't it?
That's the ships out there, Chris. Look at the ships out there.
The boats, those boats.
Those are
Look at
ships.
that pretty white boat that's going.
Ain't that something?
Oh, that right there.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think
that's pretty.
somebody drive. Look down there.
Yeah, the water is real calm today. Mom, you may get on that little boat right there. It's really slow and driving real calm.
That's all right.
Huh?
I'm fine, just like I am.
You fine just sitting there, huh?
Look.
Sitting and looking, you fine. That's all you want to do is sit and look.
Yeah, if I get out there, I might jump in the water.
Huh?
If I get out there in the boat, I'll be trying to swim.
All right now. Try to swim.
Look at the bird, you know, look at the light down. Look at that, what them people say. Light on the ground.
Like Heaven's car right there. The black one. Is she that black car that's going right?
She just went fast that way.
Yeah, because she was following my thing. So what she did was she's following it. We went all the way in the circle, come all the way back around.
Oh, so it actually
So-
follows you that way?
Well, she said she's gonna use my she's gonna
location?
track me.
Yeah.
That's her.
Yeah, I think it might be her. I don't know.
She out today, riding too.
That person trying to get up. Look, that person trying to get up, baby.
Huh?
That old woman trying to get up.
Who's she at?
Right there. See right there? She can't get up. Oh, Lord.
Right there.
Uh-huh.
She been over, ain't she?
She's trying to get up.
That other one who's trying to help her.
Somebody trying to help her.
That should go help her.
Yeah, go help.
Well, somebody said right there to tell you, my man.
She's gonna help.
was sitting there watching. Is that Heaven?
Well,
That black car.
yeah. Well, there she is.
Look at Harrison. So did she follow? Did she turn in here or she went all the way around? Oh, she turned in. There is my baby. Heaven and Harrison.
Got to find
Oh, Lord, they close, aren't they, Mama?
her. Hey. They're enjoying life. See it born.
They enjoying life?
Yeah.
You think so?
See, they ain't stopping. Let's see all this water. They're going to flop them down.
I bet Harrison gonna have a fit when he get out here. You think he will?
Oh, yeah.
I hope she bought some toys for him to get out your
This
nose.
girl run them things away. Look. The little child. She got, look at her. She's running. Almost. She a man.
What's taking him so long to get out the car?
She's probably
On the
giving
phone.
Who?
her
Harrison already had his stuff on his
phone
Who
buddy
getting out the car? Chris?
update.
Harrison in Heaven.
Oh.
She's probably got what? I told her to bring a chair. She said she already have a chair in her car. I said, well, excuse me. Mom, you got some more honey buns in your bag, and you got some on your back of your chair, right on the back of your chair, behind you, Mama, on that side,
Have to be eaten.
behind you, up on the bar,
I'm not here now.
right there. Just hang the bag, just hanging there.
Should I give it to you, Mama?
She ate a honey bun and banana on the way down the road. I don't know why she's hungry again.
I can't read. Well, one thing about it, I'm not out of shape.
Well, you talking junk to still be eating honey buns. Here, at least give me the bag.
Give me the honey bun. All right, big chop. Give me that. Y'all can talk, figure out what y'all want to figure out what size I can do.
Well, we know what size you're gonna be to keep eating them honey buns.
Is I'm gonna be trimmed or out
What
of
size
shape?
is she gonna be fat?
Ma, you have to open the whole bag up right here. Open this up. You zip it,
Zip that back up,
and then you open it up.
and I can help
I
myself.
got some wipes in there.
Oh, got peanuts.
Yeah,
I
I got
want a
some.
honey bun. Zip it back.
You zip it back.
I don't want to get.
Watch what you're doing.
I don't want to get
You didn't drop anything.
fat, big. I just want to eat it. You want to hold it? Heavy. Let me hold it. You could leave it.
She's a little cold.
Let me hold it.
Let me eat.
Oh, now she got some energy. She getting the honey bun now.
Yeah.
Well, you know, it's past the snack time,
The 3 o'clock snack time.
you know. Yeah.
My Mary bought you a pretty wig. That wig on is really, really pretty.
It's not gone.
Mm-hmm.
I'm keep on buying.
You supposed to say thank you. Don't be talking about keep on buying them.
Thank you.
Stop hanging out your mouth. You're supposed to say thank you.
Thank
You said keep on buying them. That's what you
Thank
said.
you. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Helen. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Lee.
Well, ain't nothing wrong with your swallowing, is it? What's taking us so long to get out the car?
Yeah, she's talking to a cousin or whoever. You know, she's gonna spend a lot of time just talking.
You think Harrison would come straight here? She let him out.
I think if she sees her, she would. got all the birds over
Look
the
at this
water.
ship out here today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You know something with Harrison? He doesn't chase after birds.
Harrison,
Watches them fly.
Harrison lazy. He'll play a little bit and then that's it. I was in the backyard, I was throwing this little thing. He ran about, I guess about 5 or 6 times. He said, I threw it to him. He brought it back and just laid it down like.
That thing was landing on your head.
1, 2, 3, 4.
He would bring his little toy, squish, and drop it. I want you to throw it so you can go get it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey!
Yeah, I was.
Wipe your mouth, mama. Mama, wipe your mouth right here. I got some wipes in the bag. Let me get some wipes. She love talking to strangers. Who the guy did? Here's your wipe for your hands and your mouth. Is that sun trying to come back out?
I think so.
Those birds getting mighty close, mama.
You ain't getting no honey bun.
Let's see that honey bun.
You ain't getting this honey bun.
You used to give me your honey bun. You change your mind. What if I should go live? I'll go live.